myself Rajat Pandey, IT student of first year at Swarnim University. I had attended hands-on workshop and it was an amazing experience for me. In this Build Your PC workshop, we were trained about installation of operating system and drivers and about assembling the computer components. Though there were some problems appear while installing the OS, but the faculty available were helped us solve the problem. Also, we were taught about the establishment of LAN connection and troubleshooting problems. I have never attended such a workshop and I am very thankful to academic director, HOD and computer faculty at Swarnim University.